Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Alienware Aurora ACT1250, a high-performance gaming desktop built for serious power and next-gen visuals. Right away, the basalt black chassis and customizable Alien FX lighting give it a bold, futuristic presence on your desk. But the real magic is inside. It's powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor paired with the RTX 5080 graphics card, allowing you to push modern AAA games at ultra settings with smooth frame rates and impressive ray tracing. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a fast 1TB SSD, everything feels instant. Games launch quickly, multitasking is seamless, and demanding creative tasks like 4K editing or streaming run without hesitation. The 240mm liquid cooling system keeps temperatures under control while staying relatively quiet, even during extended gaming sessions. Through Alienware Command Center, you can easily adjust performance modes and lighting effects to match your setup. Overall, the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 delivers elite performance, cutting-edge graphics, and premium design in one powerful, future-ready desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.